Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do a beautiful bracelet using these colorful scrunchies. So let's see how to do them. To do this bracelet, first we have to insert the beads inside the scrunchies. So take the scrunchie, take a nylon thread, insert it inside. Take the beads, insert the nylon thread inside the bead and you are going to pull. So likewise, we are going to do all the pieces. After doing them, it will be like this. Next, take a normal scrunchie, place it on your both the fingers. So like this, twist it once like this. So if you see, it will be like X shape. Take the next one, place it like this. Bring the bottom on the top, bottom on the top. Take the next one, place it on the top. Bring the bottom to the top, bottom to the top. Push it down. Take the next one, place it on the fingers. Bring the bottom to the top, bottom to the top. Take the next one, place it on the fingers. Bring the bottom to the top and bottom to the top. So you are going to do them till the required size of the bracelet you want. After doing them, it looks like this. So last, take a band without the bead, place it on the top, bring the bottom to the top, bottom to the top. So it looks like this. So next I'm taking a jump ring, opening them, bring the other side inside. So this is how the bracelet looks. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.